Welcome to Kidy Zone! Fun starts now!
Come on, kids! Let's start the fun! Color learning has begun!
Red is bright, red is strong. Come and learn, sing along.
A red ball rolling round and round makes a happy bouncing sound. Blue like oceans, calm and wide, waves that move from side to side. A blue wall shining in the sun, learning blue is so much fun. Yellow shines like sunlight bright, glowing soft like morning light. Yellow fruit so sweet to see, happy as a buzzing bee. Green is nature all around, trees and plants across the ground. Green plants drink the water slow, watch them happily grow and grow. Red, blue, yellow, green, 4 best colors ever seen. Strong red lifts with all its might, helping everyone feel bright. A blue robot blinking light, blue makes it work just right. A yellow lamp glowing high, shining like a firefly. Green leaves gathered in a heap, clean and tidy, neat they keep. Colors 4 so bright and true, now let's learn something new.
Red cones lined up in a row. Watch, brave, ready, go, go, go!
Blue bubbles flying in the sky, popping softly as they rise high. Yellow butterflies flutter around, soft wings making gentle sound.
Green apples crunchy and clinging, freshest apples ever seen.
Colors racing side by side, join us on this rainbow ride. A shiny red trophy up so high, Reddy cheers with joy and pride. Blue fireworks sparkle bright, glowing magic in the night. Yellow balloons rising too, up they fly into the blue.
A green dino big and tall, Greeno carved it for you all.
Mixing colors makes new shades. Watch the magic that it creates. Red and yellow side by side, orange comes with joyful pride. Blue and yellow swirl and spin, mixed together, we get green. From red to violet, colors bright, rainbow shining, pure delight. Colors dance in happy cheer, learning colors year by year. Thank you, kids, for learning today. Colors make the brightest day.
Press the subscribe button. Join the fun in Kidy Zone!